Well, good morning, campers. It's about 37 degrees and breezy out here this morning. Sure is a nice sky. No clouds anywhere. Got super windy last night. Blew all of our camp chairs around. There was one time I thought the camper was going to blow over, but it didn't. I had to come outside and make sure the camping chairs weren't up against this furnace heater exhaust. Don't worry. The chairs were over there. But even with all of that, it was a wonderful night in the camper. We had an extra blanket on. We didn't have to turn the furnace on until, well, this morning when we first got up. Mrs. P's inside making breakfast. I think she's making breakfast tacos.
Tortillas.
Everyone enjoys a good breakfast taco. So Mrs. P and I are out riding our electric scooters. I don't know if you can see it down there, but this is the lake at the Oasis State Park in New Mexico. A few people down there trying to fish. We're not going to do that. All right, we rode our bikes all the way down here to the lake or pond. I'm not sure what it is. It's probably bigger than a pond. So I'm sitting here in the desert of New Mexico. My head is in the shade. My body is in the sun. It's pretty good. Let's see what Mrs. P is up to. I think we'll leave her alone. What do you think the funniest thing we've heard here at the campground? Number one, I bet we're going to catch the biggest fish we've ever seen. Number two, we should take the training wheels off of Willie's bicycle to see if he needs a helmet. Number three, DP, you don't need another beer. Well, good morning, campers from New Mexico. It's below freezing this morning. Looks like it's going to be a pretty sunrise. Beautiful day. Today we're pulling out of New Mexico and moving on. All right, well, Oasis State Park in New Mexico was established in 1968. The pond or lake was established in 1971 as kind of a local area for people to go fishing and enjoy the water. There really aren't any rivers or lakes around this area for at least 50 to 100 miles. So it's good for the community. And we did notice a lot of people out there fishing yesterday. And I'm pretty sure they stocked that lake. I'm not sure what I expected from New Mexico, but the stock grasslands, which is where we're at, it's called Indian grass. It's pretty interesting. I mean, it just goes on for miles and miles. Just lots of cactus, short shrub type grasses. But this is the only place in view with trees up. So that's kind of cool. And I think that's why they first established this as a state park, is there was a natural spring and it had a cluster of trees growing here. So they kind of preserved that, which is kind of neat. Of all the places we've been on this trip, this is definitely the most sparsely populated and, man, not survivable. I'm guessing if you were on your own out here, you wouldn't live very long. All the signs say to look out for rattlesnakes. Last night we heard, I guess they were coyotes off in the distance. So there are definitely things to eat you out here. But overall, New Mexico, it's a place to come see, but I wouldn't want to live here. All right, I think everything's pretty much finished, except putting away the staircase and unhooking the electric. Yeah, we got to make sure that Mrs. P finished drying her hair before we unplug it. Won't make that mistake again.
Hi again, we're on the road. Let's go. We are leaving Oasis State Park in New Mexico and going to Trinidad Lakes State Park, Colorado. It's going to take us about 5 hours, but while we're on our way, we need to make a stop and do some shopping.
We're going to stop at the RV Superstore.
Park the truck by the garden center. The automatic doors slide open wide. Cool air hits my skin like a river. I grab a cart with a squeaky wheel, looking down the long white aisles. Everybody in town is showing up tonight. The scanners sing in a steady rhythm. It's a runway show on aisle 4. Camel jackets and fuzzy pink slippers, walking past the stacks of motor oil, red, white, and blue under the rafters. That's the sound of the Saturday rush. Old man in his Sunday suit at the register, buying a gallon of milk and some birdseed. Behind him is a girl in a prom dress, holding a bag of salt and vinegar chips. Nobody is looking for a fashion prize. We're just living in the middle of it all. The scanners sing in a steady rhythm. It's a runway show on aisle 4. Camo jackets and fuzzy pink slippers, walking past the stacks of motor oil, red, white, and blue under the rafters. That's the sound of the Saturday rush. Doesn't matter if you're coming from the field or heading out to the dance hall later. We all end up in the same short line, waiting for our turn at the plastic bags. The scanners sing in a steady rhythm. It's a runway show on aisle 4. Camel jackets and fuzzy pink slippers, walking past the stacks of motor oil, red, white, and blue under the rafters. That's the sound of the Saturday rush. Just a regular crowd in the bright light, beat beat pushing our cart parking lot into the southern night, into the night.
All right, and just like that, we're at Trinidad Lake, Colorado. The campsite itself is a back-in space surrounded by cedar trees, and we're in campsite 37, mostly level. We put some wheel chocks down, but we didn't have to put anything leveling left and right, so that was good. Right here behind the camper, we have a fire pit, a picnic table, and I went ahead and put my chairs over here. I know, it's like a long way away from the camper, doesn't it? But look at that view. We have some mountains in the background. But I think for now, I'm going to have a beer, relax, and enjoy the view of the lake. You guys get outside, do something fun. Come back and tell me about it.
To the dance hall later. We all end up in the same short line, waiting for our turn at the plastic bags. Sing in a steady rhythm. It's a runway show on aisle 4. Camel jackets and fuzzy pink slippers, walking past the stacks of motor oil, red, white, and blue under the rafters. That's the sound of the Saturday rush. Just a regular crowd in the bright light, beat beat pushing our cart parking lot into the southern night, into the night.